Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to fix Honda Accord radio error codes. When your Honda Accord's battery is disconnected or replaced, the audio system often locks itself as an anti-theft measure. Sometimes, a quick fix works. Simply hold the radio power button for about 2 seconds. If your radio doesn't reset automatically, you will need to manually enter a 5-digit anti-theft code to restore functionality. Finding your radio code is the next crucial step. Many Honda Accords have a sticker inside the glove box or a card within the owner's manual that lists this unique 5- or 6-digit code. If you cannot locate it there, you can often retrieve the code online. This usually requires your vehicle's 17-digit VIN and the radio's 8-digit serial number. To get your radio's serial number, which is essential for online retrieval or dealer assistance, follow these steps. First, turn your ignition to the on or ACC position. Make sure the radio is off and the screen is blank. Then, press and hold the number 1 and number 6 radio preset buttons together. While holding them, turn the radio on. An 8-digit serial number will appear on the display, often with U and L prefixes. Once you have your 5-digit radio code, turn your ignition to the on position and ensure the radio displays code. Use the radio's preset buttons to enter each digit of your code. If you enter the code incorrectly multiple times and see an error message, disconnect the negative battery cable for 2 to 3 minutes to reset the system. If problems persist, it is best to contact a Honda service center for expert help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.